What up, everybody in the YTDC? King Cobra. I think we all know what time it is. You can tell by the reflection. I'm standing right by a window. Oh yeah, look at that. Here we go. I really don't feel like stepping in this, so I have a little path where I can step. As you can see, we got about 6 inches right now. We're supposed to get 12 to 15. It's cold as a... Go ahead and finish my saying in the comments for me. If you've watched my videos long enough, you know I say usually 2 sayings in this kind of weather. Ham Special Light. Nothing says shoveling 12 inches of snow like Ham Special Light. Nothing gets me in the mood to shovel snow like Ham Special Light. Ham Special Light, America's premium beer since 1865. And fuck you if you've never had it or don't like it. The snow is wet too. It's really good packing snow. Like if you're ever wanting to have a snowball fight, go ahead and come to Indiana right now. Central Indiana. It's starting to weigh down the branches too, so you can see a lot of it falling off over here. Because it's heavy snow. I ain't shoveling until the morning. No, actually tomorrow, the high is -3. The low is -19 with the wind chill at about -45. So I ain't going to be doing nothing tomorrow. I do have school. I start my school tomorrow online. I'm taking classes, so it'll be my first day. And probably drink some Ham Special Light while I'm doing some homework or something. Ham Special Light. Good till the last fucking drop. See the twigs over there moving? It's either a ghost or the snow just fell. I don't think it's a fucking ghost. I can't whistle worth a shit. We had some birds out here earlier. I don't know what the fuck they were doing. And a squirrel. It's pretty funny. I can't let Gizmo out in this weather because his little ass will get lost in the snow. And then I have to give him a bath. And I ain't about to do that. See it falling? Don't feel like getting my screen all wet, so it's going to be the end of that. Hope everybody in the YTDC is having a better day than me, weather-wise. Fuck this. The 3 packages I have coming out. Got a couple more things to get. Got some bubble wrap. And then those will be ready to send out. The Connective 510. You already know the deal, what's going on. 209 J. Jones, Mr. Brownback, 40 ounce. Ever since the beginning of December, I haven't been able to find 4.0. So you guys are just going to have to send me something you don't have around your area that you want. And I'll send it to you. Sorry about that, but I can't get it. I can get Axe Head right now, which is 11%. So if you've never had that and you're interested in that, let me know. I can just sub in Axe Head for the 4.0. American Eagle. This shit sucks to stand outside in, I'm telling you. But I'm taking one for the fucking team. Anybody in this kind of weather, make a video outside. Let's see if it's as bad as Indiana today, huh? 12 to 15 inches? Fuck you. You ain't in a blizzard. I'm in a fucking blizzard, not a DQ blizzard either. Let's have another. No, no, no. Back your ass up. Got it? Official dog of the YTDC. Say hi. No, he said hi, fucks. What do you know? Santa left me another present. A ham special light right on this chair. Let's go to the front yard. Rugby. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking absolutely great out here. As you can see, just great weather. No plows have been in my neighborhood. Great. That plant over there is dying because it's being outweighed. What the fuck? Outweighed by the snow. My tree, my driveway, as you can see, has not been cleaned off. And ask me if I give a fuck. Do you give a fuck? No, I don't give a fuck. Ugh. Oh yeah. This is some good weather here. Got all red in the garage. She doesn't need to be getting all cold. Ham special light. Also picked up some 8-packs of 16-ounce Budweisers. Pretty good deal on those. Here comes the snowplow. Speak of the devil. Plowing some snow in my neighborhood finally. About 3:30 or so. Hopefully he comes in my court so I can get a view of him. Let's see if he is going to. Nope. There he is right there. Going to. Man, it's cold. This is good blunt weather. Good time to smoke a blunt or a bowl or a bong or a fucking J. Steamroller, whatever the fuck you want to roll. Want to smoke. Do it outside in this weather. It's awesome. See the snow falling off that tree right there? See it? See it all falling? Some heavy ass snow. Shoveling my driveway is going to be a fucking bitch. I just had to shovel a couple days ago because we just had like 4 inches the other day. Fuck you, Indiana. Fucking faggot. Indiana's now a person and he's a faggot. God damn it. Fuck you, Indiana. Suck my cock. Cheers, YTDC. And everyone reply, fuck you, Indiana. Thanks. Oh. Oh, rugby. Oh, this shit is cold. Cold beer plus like 14 degrees and snow. Not a good time. See all the twigs or the branches that have fallen? Look at all that snow falling. Don't ever come to Indiana. Unless you're going to see a team you want or the 500. Don't come to Indiana. Unless you have to pass through this shithole state to get somewhere you're going. Crossroads of America, my ass. Crossroads of shit. A special light beer with a premium taste since 1865. I don't know about a special light beer. I don't know what the fuck is special about it. The can is special, I guess. Can looks kind of cool. I like the blue shades they have on there, but it doesn't have a premium taste. That's kind of cool. That lion that they have, like a crest or something. But besides that, really nothing special about this goddamn beer. Fuck Indiana. Fuck you. I'm so fucking tired of coming outside, and it will be like this tomorrow. Like I said, the high's -5, lows like -19, -45 with wind chill. It's not going to be that severe, but this winter and like snow and everything will continue until beginning of March to mid-March. So I'm going to be complaining for a while, but see, how do you have a winter this goddamn cold, and then you have summers that, like last summer, we hit like 110 a couple days. What kind of state, like bipolar ass Indiana? This is a bipolar state, and it's fucking annoying. There goes that snowplow again. Finally doing his job. Dropped a beer. These are what I'm talking about, the 8-packs. This one's gone, but 16-ounce cans. This sturdy rack is fairly new. Got a new one right here. Got some in there. So I'm good for the blizzard. I'm telling you, don't come to Indiana. It's a piece of shit. I'm gonna finish this video. Cheers, everybody. Rugby. So cold. Alright, everybody. Anybody in the YTD wants a shout out in the next video, let me know. I hope your streets don't look like that. Fuck Indiana. Shove it up your ass, Indiana. Peace, everybody.